Welcome to Liffy's Family Adventures.
Hi everybody! Okay, so today it is Fortune Friday and we're going to be previewing something from Wowee they sent us. It's a fortune pack. They sent us to Livy. Livy, it has a note in it. We're going to read the note, okay? Alright, this is a pretty cool case, right? Okay, let's read the note. Lucky Fortune, wear your luck. Hi, Livy. Happy Lucky Fortune Friday. We hope you love Lucky Fortune as much as we do. Open each plastic fortune cookie to reveal your future, and don't forget to show us what's inside on the 31st. Lucky Fortune Friday. So that's today, guys. Lucky Fortune Friday. With over 100 bracelets to collect, you can crack them, wear them, and share them. Love the Wowee team. This is so cool, okay? So they sent Livy a bunch of them. We have, it's 4 of them, y'all. And it's one that's already open. Look at it. Livy, what color is this?
Purple and yellow.
The 4-leaf clover is the luckiest charm that you can get of them all.
I know.
It's really rare and they're dipped in gold. Wouldn't it be awesome if we got one?
Yeah.
Let's hope we get one, okay? Okay, on the other side, there's more numbers, 1 through 8, okay guys? 1 through 8. When you open it, there's a bunch of stuff inside, it's a bunch of words, and it says Lucky Fortune, wear your luck. So these help determine your fate, and when you open them all the way up, on the opposite side, it's a treasure map. And the treasure map is like the key to tell you about your charms and how lucky they are. So look, it's a huge star.
And a gold number.
I know, okay. Okay, so it's a huge map. There's a bunch of charms, and all 100 charms are on this map, okay? All 100 charms. And it tells you the categories they fall under. It's 5 categories, which is adventure. Adventure is the blue. Friendship. Success. That's always good. And love. And in the middle, the star is what? Happiness. Right, okay. And then at the bottom, there's a little key to tell you how lucky your charm is. Each charm has a star, okay? So the white ones mean you're lucky. The pink ones mean you're very lucky. And then the yellow, orangey ones are very, very lucky.
A shape?
Yep, pick one of the shapes. Clover. Okay, let's spell clover. C-L-O-V-E-R. Okay, pick a number, 3, 4, 7, or 8. 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick another one. 7. All right. Wait, you have to ask a question. What's your question? Let's see. Are we gonna get the lucky 4-leaf gold clover? Let's see. They said maybe. So that's a good chance, right? That's like a 50-50 chance, right? Okay, so let's try and open some of these up. Oh, there's a bunch of cool stuff inside. Stars and crescent moons. They're sparkly. Oh, look, Livy, and they gave us some real fortune cookies. We're gonna eat these when we're done, okay? All right, so let's open the one they already pre-packaged for us. It's purple. There's a button in the back to open them, okay, guys? But it's really cute that you can put these in your keychains as well. Okay, we're gonna crack it open. Okay, oh, there's a note inside. What is that, Livy? It's a kiss. Don't we have a kissable keychain for Wowee?
Yes.
So we're gonna add it to our kissable keychain, okay? This is a really cute bracelet, guys. Wait, let's show everyone. Wait, I'll put it on your wrist in 1 second. Let's show everyone. This is the bracelet, okay? It's a pink kiss. Oh, and each bracelet has its own little fortune cookie at the end to help you tighten it. Okay, Livy, let's put this on you. This is your first one. Okay, we're just gonna tighten it. Look at that! And they fit! Look how cute that is! Show everyone. wear a smile. Okay, and what's really cool about this fortune pack, guys, is that even the fortune tellers, the fortunes inside, they all come in 3 different languages: English, French, and Spanish. So that's really cool. Okay, let's open up another pack. Okay. Let's see.
I hope we get the fully.
Okay, bring it to me. Wait, our pink charm. Wait, let's see it.
Sure.
Yep, our pink charm. What star is on it? We have to find the lips. Oh,
I see it.
it's right here, okay? And it's a white star, so that means we are lucky. Oh, it's teal. This is so cute. Okay, so let's see if we can open this. Okay, so this one is teal, guys. Let's crack this one open. What do you think's in it? Which one do you think it is? The pizza?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Oh, this one has a pink band instead of a white one. Libby, it's the pizza! You were right! Look, guys, she guessed it right. It's the pizza.
I knew it.
Okay, so let's put this one on this hand. All right. That's so crazy. How'd you guess that?
I just thought it was that because I had the heart.
Yeah, but there's 100 of them and you guessed right. That's so cool. All right, wait. So the pizza has the orangish yellow star, and that means we are very, very lucky. And we sure are because you guessed it, Libby. Show everyone your bracelet. Woo. Let's tighten it a little bit for you. All right, and the pink band is so cool. It's a neon pink band.
I like it.
I like it too.
And it smells like cherry.
It smells like cherries. All right. Oh, we have another teal one, guys. Let's open this one up. Okay. What do you think's in it, Libby? Which one do you think it is? Pick on the map. Which one do you think it is?
The heart.
You think it's a heart? Okay, everybody, she thinks it's a heart. All right, let's see. Right.
Sounds like it.
Oh, it's another pink band. Libby, it's another pizza!
Another pizza!
Another one. Okay, this one's gonna be mine since we have 2 of them. It's another pizza.
Another good pizza!
You know what's so cool? Is that the last pink one we had was the last teal one we opened was a pizza, and we just opened another teal one and it's a pizza. That's kind of cool, Libby. Okay, wait. You know what we forgot, Libby? Our fortune from the last one. Let's see. Stick your fingers in there. Get that. Can you get it? While you work on that, let's read the other one, okay? From our second pizza, it says someone loves pizza. Someone loves you more than they love pizza. That's so cool. Okay. Ah, we both got the same fortune, Libby. This one says the same thing. Someone loves you more than pizza. So now people love us more than pizza. Isn't that awesome? And how much do you love pizza?
I love it a lot.
All right, let's get into our last one. This one is pink.
Whoa.
Okay. All right. Which one do you think you're getting now? It could be anything. It doesn't have to be on the side. It could be anything.
I want the pop.
You want the popsicle. Okay, well, let's see what we get. This one's pink. Check it out. It sounds like it. You think so? Oh, wait. Here's a fortune. And here's a bracelet. And what is this? This is a Game Boy. Okay, wait. Let's look and see what it is. You see him, guys? It's like a little... Yeah. Or is he a mug? I think it's a Game Boy. You remember Game Boys? They were out when I was little. Let's find it. Right here! And it's under the card, so that means we are very, very lucky. Oh, we're very lucky. So now we're lucky with the pink, with the kiss. We're very lucky now that we have a Game Boy. And we're very, very lucky because we have 2 pieces. Okay, and let's read our last fortune. Let's see. It says you're gonna be a game changer. Oh, isn't that cool? I wonder how they know that. Okay, so let's show our friends how to make their own dream catcher, right? Okay, let's get a blank one. One's already empty, it's already folded up in the pack. We haven't used it. We're gonna show you how to fold everything, okay? So, take it out, flatten it, get it all good. There's dotted lines to show you where to fold everything. So, we're gonna start with our corners. See, there's dotted lines. We're gonna fold this one. You're just gonna fold each corner into triangles, see?
Yeah, we're gonna fold corner into triangle.
We had a bigger square before, right? But now we have a smaller square, right? Because all the sides are even, so that makes it a square. All right, we have a smaller square. We're gonna fold these again. We're gonna fold the corners again so that you can't see the words. So on this side, we're gonna fold it. And again, there are dotted lines to show you where to fold. So now we have an even smaller square. And now we have to fold it in half. So our numbers are on the inside. The pink numbers are on the inside. The pink, purple, and yellow numbers on the inside. And now we can see our what? Our unicorn, our star, our clover, and our rainbow. And you stick your fingers up in there, and you bring it to a point. And now you have your own fortune teller. What else do we have in here? Oh, I forgot, Libby, they gave us real cookies. Want to crack some of these open? All right. You do the blue one, I'll do the purple one. Okay, you can crack your blue one open. Oh, and there's icing on them. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, good.
All right. Oh, this one's very decorative. Actually, Libby, do you want this one? This one has sprinkles on it. Yeah, let's switch. Okay, let's crack it open. Ready? Open the box. Come on, ready? 1. You know how to crack it? Turn it this way. Right here. Your 2 fingers. You see your thumbs? Libby, look at my thumbs. Ready? And pull apart. And, oh, and these have fortunes inside of them too. Oh, you got yours. Let's look at your fortune. It says, fresh baked cookies for you from Fancy Fortune Cookies. Oh, that is so cool. Thank you so much to WowWee for giving us these cool gifts, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the fortune cookies are good.
The icing is so good.
They're awesome. Bye, everybody.
Hey, thanks for watching. Click on Libby to subscribe to our channel. Already subscribed? Click over here to see more of our videos.